Introducing our assisted tamp automatic espresso machine, the Barista Touch Impress with auto milk. Less mess, less fuss with the Impress puck system. Let's unbox the Barista Touch Impress and take a look at the various included parts. Lay the box on its side and use the flap to slide the machine out. You'll find a set of accessories that all have a part to play. You'll also find a useful tray that can be used to store accessories, such as filter baskets, burr brush, or cleaning tools.